Once upon a time, nestled atop a mist-shrouded mountain, there existed a secluded monastery where the echoes of tranquility and wisdom resonated through the ages. In this sacred haven, lived a venerable old monk named Master Wu and a curious young boy named Liang. Liang had been orphaned at a tender age, finding solace and refuge within the monastery's ancient walls. Master Wu, with his flowing gray beard and serene countenance, became Liang's guide, mentor, and the guardian of his fledgling spirit. One crisp morning, Master Wu summoned Liang to the courtyard, where the air was laden with the fragrance of cherry blossoms. The old monk handed Liang a small, empty wooden bowl and gestured toward a nearby stream. "Fill this bowl with water," Master Wu instructed, his eyes sparkling with ancient wisdom. Perplexed, Liang approached the stream and dipped the bowl into the water, but each attempt proved futile as the water slipped through the gaps between his inexperienced fingers. Master Wu observed silently, allowing Liang to struggle. After several failed attempts, Liang finally turned to his mentor with a look of defeat. The old monk smiled knowingly and said, "The mind is like this bowl, and wisdom is the water. If the bowl has cracks, the wisdom seeps away. To receive the teachings of life, one must first mend the cracks in their mind." Master Wu then guided Liang through the art of mindfulness, compassion, and understanding. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Liang diligently practiced the ancient teachings bestowed upon him. With time, Liang's mind transformed, and the cracks in his metaphorical bowl began to mend. He learned to embrace life's challenges, finding strength in adversity and wisdom in every experience. On the day of Liang's 18th birthday, Master Wu presented him with a new bowl, symbolizing the resilience and growth that had taken place within his spirit. "Remember, my dear Liang," Master Wu said, "life's journey is not about avoiding cracks, but learning to mend them with the threads of wisdom. As you carry this bowl, carry also the lessons of your heart." Liang, now a wise and compassionate young man, left the monastery with a heart full of gratitude. The teachings of Master Wu had not only filled his bowl with wisdom but had also illuminated the path to a purposeful and meaningful life. And so, under the benevolent gaze of the cherry blossoms, Liang ventured forth, carrying the lessons of the old monk within him, a lantern of light to guide him through the unfolding chapters of his life. Thanks for watching our videos. For interesting topic like this, please subscribe our channel.